Weather stations covered in this video will look like the station shown here. Most of these stations will have a white and or silver wind sensor with 3 cups and a wind vane in place of the black sensor shown here. Unlatch the cover on the bottom and then lift off the cover. Notice the white battery bracket in this older style enclosure. For these tests we're going to use the DC scale on the voltmeter. DC scale will have the solid line with the dashed line that's shown there. The AC voltage scale has that squiggly line. The battery leads should be plugged into the top terminal. It's labeled LA. If it's plugged into the ALK, it won't be charged from the charging regulator in the weather station. The battery should measure between 12.3 and 13.8 volts. This one's 13.47. Measuring voltage on the weather station enclosure itself, you put the black lead on the GND and the red lead on the 12V terminals on that gray strip as shown, and then measure the voltage. On these newer stations that have the black PS100, you'll notice that there has a red charging light that indicates charge voltage, and then an on-off switch. The on-off switch doesn't affect the light. The light will be on regardless. Use your meter again, black lead on the GND and the red lead on the 12V, and measure the voltage again. On these ET107s, WS Pro 2s, and Toro T107 stations, notice there's a red flashing LED with the word active next to it. On this style station, again, put the red lead on the 12V and the black lead goes on the ground symbol. We're checking the output from the PS100 power supply here. We'll notice that the switch is up or off, and I'll put the meter leads on the output of this PS100 and notice it doesn't have any voltage there. And then I'll turn the switch on and you'll notice the voltage will turn on here. In this case we got 13.2 volts, and that active LED is now flashing, you'll notice.